see that the exact scenario that Nick described a lot. We had a recent customer. This is real world example. This particular customer, they needed a status code, basically a yes or no, as to whether or not this customer was enrolled in their loyalty program for shopper, like shopping loyalty. And instead of a yes or no, the developer in this case got the entire record of everything having to do with that customer with every request. And did it satisfy the need? Yeah, it part of what they got back was, are they in the loyalty program? But they got back their address, their, purchase history, their, all of this information that was extraneous to the actual need, and put all of that customer data at risk for no incremental business value. The problem, in my view, really becomes when your risk reward is off, because you're exposing more risk than the business value that you're getting in exchange for it, right? So if you're exposing a zombie API to the outside world, an old version or whatever, whatever the history behind it is, if it's not being used to sell product or provide service or something like that, it's just risk. There's no reward for exposing that risk. And that's what we see companies consistently overshoot, is they underestimate how much attack surface they're exposing for the corresponding reward. And one of our main goals is, let's get you eyes on what are you actually exposing to the outside? What is the risk of that exposure? How can we shrink that attack surface, harden that attack surface? And then let's build a baseline for what normal looks like, and then alert on deviations from that normative state. But if you don't even have an inventory, you certainly don't know what normal looks like yet, right? There's no way to skip these foundational parts. You still have to do the inventory stuff.
We've seen this